Hello students, welcome to your SUPW class. We were talking about water pollution. We have already read about the effects of water pollution, and today in this class I am going to discuss about how can we prevent water pollution. Okay, what are the ways we should adapt to stop or check the water pollution? Although the government has made stringent laws to prevent water pollution, yet there are many things we do individually. We human beings make mistakes, and these mistakes contribute to the pollution of water. Okay, to prevent water pollution, given below are the few ways of preventing water pollution. The first one is toxic products like paint, automobile oil, polishes and other cleaning products should be disposed properly. These things are just thrown away into water, and this leads to water pollution. So these things should not be thrown into the water, and non-toxic products we should use non-toxic products only, so that the water is not polluted, and avoid throwing such products into your toilet or sink. What happens, children, whatever the products we throw in the toilet or sink, ultimately it reaches the water, the ocean, the rivers, and they get polluted. So we should avoid using these toxic things. Dispose all your trash in proper manner. Try to incorporate recycling habit. If possible, as far as possible, we should use things that can be recycled. Second thing, we should dispose the trash properly. Okay, and refrain from throwing litter into streams, rivers, lakes and seas. We should in no way contribute to making the water bodies dirty. We should not throw any garbage, any litter in the water bodies, children. Use environmental friendly household products such as soap based cleaning materials. Chemical based cleaning materials are not good for the water bodies, so we should use the soap based cleaning materials, and try using natural fertilizers and pesticides. The cow dung, and then you have the vegetable peel, fruit peels. We can make your own compost at home and use that as fertilizer. Okay, and we should use natural pesticides even, so that the water is not polluted, the air even, because of the pesticides. Okay, now we'll talk about the noise pollution. The increasing level of sound in the atmosphere is caused the noise pollution. You may have witnessed loudspeakers. Okay, during various ceremonies, they put marriages and all, they put loudspeakers. What do the loudspeakers do? They create noise pollution. Yes. What is the cause of the noise pollution? Loud music played on loudspeakers during the festivals, marriages and of course elections. Sound producing vehicles and other entertainment devices like TV, radio, music system, cars, stereos, etc. also pollute the atmosphere. If the volume is too high, the noise pollution takes place. Large frequency sound is produced by aeroplanes, and the generators and machines in factories also, they produce high pitch sound. The effects, of course, headache. This is the most common thing that a person comes across, and then you have dizziness and earache. Okay, it also causes diseases like mental disorders, because you are not able to see properly, you are not able to rest properly. Mental disorder is the thing these means it causes, and then high blood pressure, and it's in some results in permanent deafness also. If one lives near an area or a place where continuous loud music plays, it will cause deafness, of course. Okay, loud noises in the environment also disturb old people, sick people. Even if you have examination and the other house has some puja or some marriage and they play loud music, won't you be disturbed because of that? Of course you will be disturbed. That is a sort of noise pollution also, na? How can we prevent this noise pollution? Avoid playing loud volume on TV or music. The volume should be kept moderate. It should not be too high. Maintain silence zones near hospitals where people are sick, they are suffering, they need rest. There should be absolute silence in hospitals and all. Making rules regarding time limits during special occasions. Government should form rules. Okay, the sound limit, the time limit should be set, so that the noise pollution can be reduced. Covering the generators in wooden boxes will also reduce noise pollution, because whenever the electricity is cut, okay, the connection is not there, we use generators. Inverters of course are there these days, but when we want to generate more electricity, generators are used, and these generators create a lot of noise. So it can be put in a wooden crate, a wooden container, so that the noise can be reduced. How can we prevent? So these are the ways, and then we can talk about the land pollution or the soil pollution. Basically, land pollution is on the surface of the earth. Causes of the land pollution: dumping urban waste material indiscriminately, means you don't sort out the wet waste, then the plastics and the recycled one, everything should be sorted now. If you don't sort out and just throw the material indiscriminately without discriminating among them, then it will cause land pollution. Dumping of industrial wastes from factories. Factories in all ways contribute to the pollution. Okay, so here also land pollution is caused because of the factories. They dump their waste on the land. Using harmful agricultural pesticide is also a cause. Land pollution includes visible litters and wastes along with the soil. The soil gets polluted by harmful pesticides and herbicides used for agricultural purposes by the farmers, along with the solid waste material littered by people living in urban areas. Because the farmers, they use the pesticide, the upper layer of the land is polluted. Okay, and of course we human beings, we keep on throwing litter, that also increases the pollution. Okay, and solid waste includes matters that are created by human and animal activities. Most of these solid waste are paper, plastic containers, bottle, cans, used cars, electronic goods, wastes from agriculture, mining industries, etc. So whatever we use, just that, be it the plastic container, the bottle, the cans, the toys, we throw it on the land and help in, means we are the cause of the pollution there. Okay, effect of land pollution: it decreases the fertility of soil. Because of the chemicals, the fertility it decreases and result in skin problems also. How can we prevent the land pollution? People should be educated and made aware of the harmful effects of littering. Okay, and items of domestic use like paper, glass, plastic, etc. should be recycled. And make yourself an example. Dispose your waste properly. Set an example for others. Set an example for others. And inorganic toxic waste should be disposed in areas far away from the residential localities. Wherever there are residents, wherever there is the people are living in a society, the waste should not be dumped there. It should be taken far away and then dumped there. So this is all we need to know about the pollution, children, and the kinds of pollution. After that we have question answers and fill in the blanks, true and false. Let us do the fill in the blanks of this chapter. Man in his greed has exploited the resources and disturbed the ecological balance, endangered our life on this planet. Air contains oxygen, which is essential for our survival. The cause of air pollution are both natural and human based. Natural and human based. First answer is ecological, second is oxygen, third is natural and human. Fourth, 2/3 of our earth's surface is covered with water and 1/3 is covered by land. Okay, the fifth answer, harmful insects like mosquitoes breed in dirty water and spread diseases like malaria and dengue. This is your answer. Mosquitoes, malaria, dengue. Sixth answer, noise pollution is injurious to our health. Injurious means harmful. People should be educated and made aware about the harmful effects of littering. Then we'll come to true and false, children. The earth where we all live is full of pollution. True. Pollution is harmful to all living beings, including human beings. Of course, it's true. The third one, the government is not taking any step to stop air pollution. False. It's not true. water pollution is a very good thing? No, it's false. The increasing level of sound in the atmosphere causes noise pollution. Absolutely true. You will write true here. And the last one, land pollution may cause respiratory problems in humans. Land pollution will not cause that. It will be caused by air pollution. So this also is false. So we are done with the fill in the blanks and true false question answers. You can find it on your own also, and I'll tell you in the next class when we meet. Okay, till then take care children. Thank you.